fish because she's a vegetarian.
You're almost overdoing it.
Spit a rhyme, spit a rhyme.
Spit a rhyme, Gorski.
Ain't got no rhymes for you right now, man. But these fireworks,
Shut up, but whatever.
classy. Hey, yo, they've been rocking the show this year. Like, I mean, let me tell you, 2012 was a lot louder than 2011. I'm telling you that shit real though. Or the real talk. We all out here right now. I got my boy Nick talk right here, baby. Twisted D. We got my boy. Oh, Jesus Christ, the fucking time. Get the rain coming down. Get the rain coming down.
Hey, good luck breathing the rest of the night.
Area what?
Good luck breathing the rest of the night. Good luck. Good luck breathing. Good luck breathing. What's out here? Oh, she's running for the camera.
Got her! I already got her. Spring break 12. Yeah, I get it. Woo! Hey yo.
Let's go, Drake.
Let's go.